What up, what up, what up? Today what we're gonna be doing is taking Mr. Box's Soarer, the SE300, to get fender rolled because the car has RPF ones right now. They're a little wide. Well, they are wide, so for sure we gotta fender roll it and to make it work. It's coming out. Leo Neon SRT4. There he is. I'll show you guys real quick. Mr. Boxman. RPF ones. Yeah, but it's rubbing in there. It'll look much better once all four of them are on. Oh, he did a new mod last night, he said. Can you guys guess what it is? Ooh, new radio. Huh? Yeah, it's pretty clean. I don't like when this stays up though. Oh. I have the same thing on my, you know, because the cigarette lighter's always here. I wish it could be relocated and this just stays shut the whole time.
I'm pretty sure. Yeah.
So it just stays shut the whole time. It looks cleaner, all shut.
Well, we're thinking, because I forgot to put in the little Bluetooth mic. We're probably going to drill a hole in the cubby back there and just clip it here. And this could probably, another one on the end somewhere right there.
Well, you could run the mic. People always run it to the little headrest. What kind of animal is this?
It's a fucking dragon, bitch. I don't know what the fuck it is.
Like a liger? Yeah.
It came out pretty good.
Yeah, it did.
For doing it at night, last night. We're up to like midnight doing it.
It takes 15 minutes and these guys stayed up 4 hours.
Fuck you. Everything was for the left-hand drive. Like, the kit was for the left-hand drive, so it was hard.
Oh, so it wasn't fitting properly?
This I know because these connectors on the left-hand drive are here. So when we try to shove this whole thing in, it has connectors back here for these. And it's over here on this side, and it was hitting on this side, so we had to modify it a little bit and just make it fit in, but it's in.
You had to depin all the plugs and make it work.
You had to rub the plastic.
It's clean though. J power. Be Rick's new car. I always like the way neons sound with an exhaust. They sound pretty mean, and they backfire pretty damn good. Grab it to your car, Rick. You can hear that intake. It'll buff out. A little fat Mustang. Just washed her yesterday, so nice and clean. So the plan is to drop off the SE300 to get fender rolled, and then we're gonna drop it off. That probably takes roughly like an hour and a half, which is nearby. It's Maywood, not far at all from us. And then after that, the Mustang's leaking like a very tiny, it leaves like a tiny drop overnight. Just tiny. I'm just being very petty, I guess, because I feel like it's not horrible. It's not bad at all, but I just fixed, I just fixed this leak, so I'm gonna just take it back to the guy who did it for me. He's a real cool guy, so I'm like, hey, I just see a little tiny leak from coming from somewhere again. So he's like, yeah, just bring it by. So I'm gonna go we're gonna go drop off the car, the Soarer, to find the road, and we're gonna drop off the Mustang. to get that checked out and hopefully fixed, because I want 0 leaks from this thing. I don't want a single drop or nothing. So that's the plan. And then after, I don't know, I guess just pick them up. We'll see. Make a wrong turn. That thing looks wide from the back. Pretty mean. I think it's gonna look good though. I like RPF ones. I'm already getting hired to do be a camera guy. Now to drop this thing off. We dropped it off. That Soarer, the guy was like 6 feet apart, which is cool, but he said he's gonna take a little over an hour, which is fine. That gives me time to go drop this off, and it gives us enough time that way we're not all rushed. Sounds pretty good. What's up, man? The Ubers.
Yeah, I'm good on my side.
Nah, that's cool.
Here we have some drift spares. Oh, wrong side.
I think these are better than the ones
Oh, those look pretty nice.
the 240 has right now.
Sheesh. So meaty tire, bro.
The seller claimed that they were 9 out of 10, but I'm looking at them right now.
Here we have the famous Peter back in action. Yeah, we're gonna get him in there.
Somebody's gonna lay down on top of the.
Oh, I forgot I had the strap. Eh, we'll roll with the trunk open when I
You
bill.
don't have like a little rabbit? I think maybe I could fit it in there. Nah, the strap bar gets in the way.
Yeah.
It's like an old school tire. That's 9 out of 10, bro.
It would have been 10 out of 10 if I did.
Takes 90% of the time.
Whoa.
That's the quote of the day.
I mean, if you're doing the work, yeah.
Well, I have you do the work.
No, if you're doing
So
the
it
work.
does. So the plan's gonna be to unmount the tires and just probably paint them a whole new color.
Sandpaper to sand it down. You get away with.
Wait, what if I just grab with the greaser right now? After unmounting them, pass to the car wash and just spray in the greaser and rinse them there, way. Cause then your fucking house is gonna be all wet, way. The floor's gonna be all wet.
What do you think?
I don't know. What are you thinking?
It doesn't matter.
Don't matter. Just grab it.
You can do it because if you do the greaser in the grass, it fucking kills it.
No, but this was then
So
his
rinse 'em.
garage or the little driveway queda bien mojado, way. So.
It's a 4-car garage.
Huh?
It's a 4-car garage, only 1/4. What color are we gonna go with? Which one do we need, Ricardo? Ricardo's powder coating master. Oh, we need more than one? 320?
How much is in there?
You don't think that's enough?
Do the whole wheel or just that?
It's just like the face, no?
The rest of the face, you could do it with like a Scotch Brite.
So get this one and that one?
You're gonna have to give me like a minute or two,
And
So these two? These things are gonna come out legit, entonces, if we're buying this kind of... We're buying a lot of things. This is more than usual what we buy.
and this one is like if you scrub it with the water, and it's 800 for it. So it leaves it super smooth. You have the paint, it'll stick on there. It's better.
Actually, just bought these two Bluetooth speakers for the car.
What color should we go with it? Magnesium blue?
I don't have the kit anymore.
Purple.
Midnight, that's Midnight Purple 1, I think.
Orange, look, is orange. Pretty cool. That's the same one we have. Something like this. Cool. Go bright.
Well, has to be enough.
Boombox comes here a lot. So much that
Oh,
He already knows the code. Ended up getting white again. I think it's gonna be the best bet. Simplest thing to do right now. I think it looked pretty good though. Ricardo said he's gonna knock it out because he's a paint expert. Little Turbo over there. Turbo, hey. He's excited over there. Look at him, look at him. Attention to detail, look at that. Woohoo! It's gonna look brand new. It's getting all in there. I feel like, you know what I feel like? You know when there's those people that discover artifacts or something and they with a little brush?
You're uncovering bones or what?
Restoring stuff. That's what I'm doing.
Oh, we got a T-Rex little jawbone right here.
Oh, right here was right here. I could tell.
Yeah, that's pretty bad.
Fucking Peter, ¿qué pasa? Yeah, they're 9 out of 10, bro. My ass.
What do you think, buddy? Yeah, I don't like these shits either.
You can do this if you don't want to get like overspray on the face.
This one's
Just
this one's not that bad. Little scalp.
Oh, were you doing the lip then?
I mean, I can do the whole thing, but just for primer, I don't want to primer the whole.
Oh, right, I got you.
I have to.
He's smart, you see? That's why I hired Ricardo for the job.
I mean, you can wash off the over.
Really?
Careful with the degreaser, buddy.
Let's do anything. Looking pretty legit. Smooth, you know? What band or what crack, nothing. What? Rick got the wheels ready. I think we're just gonna do primer next. It's way better. Smooth. So we're gonna hit it with a primer and then do a white again.
It looks like you have a white wall.
Mox is doing this one.
Bring out the bundle.
Bring out the filler.
Oh, break time.
We got the primer on the rough spots just to fill in some of the little holes, and then we're gonna hit it with a light primer and then white again. Ricardo's a pro. We're gonna let them sit for a bit, let it dry, and then what are we gonna do? Wet sand it?
Sand it, wet sand, and then
Wet sand a little
maybe
bit.
another primer on top of that, and then paint.
Yeah, this should look pretty good though. To see the car?
A little bit, yeah.
You think it's gonna look good, Ricardo, or no?
Looks pretty good from right here. I see a little.
From a hood, good 100 yards, it looks good. We'll see right now.
Little white.
Think it'll work? No?
Should be fine.
Probably will.
It's like lower than that, but
You don't think it's an uneven pavement? It's pretty good though.
Yeah, well, we had to.
I guess we're gonna have to leave the car here and tow it home. Yeah, I mean
Yeah, just a liner.
I said just run it, and
Just a fender liner.
when you get home just cut the piece off and just leave this
Yeah.
front piece, you get me?
Just cut this like a little bit of trim. That's where it's hitting, like right here.
Looks pretty good though.
Yeah.
sure it's on this side?
Right here, just a little bit. No, it does rub a little, but I think it's just
You gotta go for it, huh?
Yeah. this is where I'm gonna end the vlog. I'm gonna just continue the wheels tomorrow or the day after, and then yeah. All right. Go ahead and comment, like, and subscribe. See you guys in the next one.